that incline.
You are short, boy.
What?
What?
Are we rolling? All right. Today is a fun video. We have to work on one of these 6 clapped cars. Definitely this one. So we're gonna be working on this one today. This is Jacob's Type R. Come on, Jacob. Say hello. Say hello to the camera.
Hello. Hello.
Pull it in and get started. They're great.
You did good on the plate, no cap.
You did. This is painted by Aeroflow Dynamics. So pretty cool. That's the color map.
Package nice and secure.
Yeah.
So sure no damage.
Yes, it does.
Alright.
You don't want me to lay it out long ways?
Yeah, look at that. Where do you want to start?
For the install?
No.
I say removing the front lip and then we can do everything from there. So first, you want to install the middle piece of the lip. If I could take your guitar, I'll show you. You put the middle piece on first, using the 4 OEM mounting clip points, and then you're able to put the side piece on underneath it and run your screws in through the bottom right there. Ready to be pulled off.
It's a good tactic.
Really just
Want me to stick it?
yeah, you're good.
Wow.
Pull it up.
I looked over it, like said something. It said ship from eBay.
You gotta put self-tappers in there?
You don't have to. I had them on there before. It made it secure. I'd rather just put them back since I already had them on. Technically, you don't need them. You can use just the clips and just the 3M that they supply, but just extra security. So you can see they already have little scribe marks all in the lip for the little drill marks that you can drill into the body, which I use those holes on my previous lip. I don't want to go into the same holes, so I'm going to go just like an inch over. I might have to take the bottom clips out, to be honest. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, right in here you can see those two, that clip and then the one up there. And then there's a screw right here, which might be hard to see because it's up under here, but. So this right here, I'm pretty sure it's just self-tappers all the way, no 3M. They gave us a whole lot of self-tappers and washers, yes. One of these guys ready to go. If you look underneath, it literally butts up flush with the stock side skirt, so it's like, it looks factory.
Trying to give me these wheels.
Give? Do the same thing on this side with the 3M. Bam, bam, bam. Gonna install the clip. Just the one screw and the one clip right here. Fresh. Now we're just gonna have to make sure we get it on there nice and center.
then they say which one are they when it's time?
Alright, so that is going to conclude the install. Remember, we ended up doing the Aeroflow Dynamics V2 front lip. We did the side splitters. We did the rear duckbill for the trunk and the spats for the rear corner pieces on the bumper. I just wanted to say shout out to Brandon and people over at Aeroflow again for hooking me up with the discount and getting everything on. And I hope you guys enjoyed everything.
You guys will be seeing more of Jacob in GAT along with the rest of the crew. My personal Type R is doing a GAT phase. Ollie right here, who's struggling to wrap, is also doing a GAT phase. So
Type R's are taking over.
I think this one's ready, right? You're done for GAT?
Get it. I'm gonna do a custom tune. I'm on a base map right now, but before we go to the...
You guys will be seeing this one in GAT if you go to GAT to this year. But I think that's all we have for today.
Jacob, say the outro.
Yeah, usually the guest says the outro.
Come on, you gonna hit one of
You
these.
should have. You might not know what I'm doing.
Alright, so. Alright, initiation, get on your knees. Alright.
Never stop dreaming.
Ignore this guy and never stop dreaming.
Go, fire.
Grapple for my car is here. You guys don't get to see this yet.
Oh, that's kind of pretty.
Kinda.
It'd be a shame if I just undid the jack and then I was the only FL5.
Why would we do that?